Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to put multiple products in one offer inside of a GoHighLevel sub-account. This is going to be especially helpful if you intend to use your GoHighLevel sub-account as a membership. To start the process, we're going to go to insiders.harperacademy.com. You may need to log in, or in some cases, your browser will allow you to log directly in to your GoHighLevel sub-account. What you're going to do is go to the Memberships tab. What you will then do is to go to the courses. You will then go to your offers tab. When you go to your offers tab, what you're going to do is you're going to create an offer. Now in this case, this is going to be an offer of multiple products. So if you're going to use a membership title, you're going to want to use one here. What you're going to do now is select multiple products. So you're going to use the drop down menu and you're going to select the multiple products that you're going to be using. And so every time that you go through this element, what you'll do is you will tick off those that you want to be part of your membership. Once you have all the courses that are going to be part of this group offer, you're going to save them. And what you're then going to want to do is you're going to want to customize this membership. And you're going to do that by writing in a description that your customers are going to see. Now, we're not going to do that in this video, but you would go through the process of doing it. You will then be able to see all of the products that you want to add. If you want to add more, you can click on this down arrow and you can add more products here in this area. Now, when you add products after the fact to the offer, you're going to get this dialog, which won't be relevant if you're just setting up your product. You're going to make sure that you're going to give access to all of your members. If you're going to be using tracking codes and other kinds of codes, you're going to put them in here. In most cases, you will not. What you will then do is you will then make sure that you customize the offer. And so in this particular case, we're going to give everyone access at the same time, but you can customize this if that's what you want to do. You can also restrict access to a certain number of days. And in this case, we're not going to do that. You can add in a specific image as a thumbnail. Now, in this case, you don't have to add an image that you already have. You can have one created inside of your favorite AI chatbot. So we now have our offer. We can then save it. Our draft offer is then saved. If we want to preview the offer, we can click on the draft element. We can click on published. We can then preview the offer and we'll have a chance to see what the customer is going to see. Now, obviously, we're going to set this up as a free offer because we're going to put the link inside of a thank you page so your customer will be able to create their own account or add the course to their account based on their email address. Okay, so that thanks, and I will see you in another video.